Hello guys, my name is Giulia and this is the first video from my new Christmas series. It's a tutorial of a Christmas tree explosion box. For this project you will need PVA glue, glue dots, a pair of scissors, bone folder and a ruler. One cardboard triangle of 5 by 5 by 5 inches, 3 triangles with a base of 5 inches and a height of 6.5 inches, 3 colored triangles with a base of 4 3/4 and a height of 6 1/4, 1 white equilateral triangle with a side of 4 3/4, 1 design paper triangle sides of 6 by 6 by 6 to serve as a cover for the base, three design paper triangles with a base of 6 and a height of 7.5 to serve as a cover for the sides, three rectangles with the sides of 4 by 1. For the lid we'll need 3 squares with the sides of 2 inches and 2 little stars. As for decoration we will need 2 mini Christmas trees, some cotton pads, large ribbon, some narrow ribbon, some tassel, red berries, a Santa sticker, some jingle bells, a scrap of paper to create a pocket for one side of the box, some mini pearls, a sponge, and some ink to dust the sides. Begin by adding some PVA glue on the cardboard triangle and stick it on the design paper. Score along the sides. Cut the excess of the paper. Stick the sides with some glue.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that
Repeat the process for the sides of the pyramid.
but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking
Mark the middle of the rectangles and score along the line.
secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to
Unite the sides with the base using the red rectangles.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Decorate the outside of the box using some white ribbon.
Coming to get you.
Stick a bow on one side of the box using some glue dots. For a nicer effect, dust the red triangle sides with some ink.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the
On one of the triangles, create a pocket using the scrap paper.
around. Just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope
The second triangle will be decorated by using some ribbon.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
Now it's time to stick all the inside covers.
I built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes
Let's add some decorations.
if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing
Create a snow effect using some cotton pads.
you can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
Stick the triangle on the base. It's time to add the final decorations. To create the lid, fold the squares along the diagonal and stick them as is shown in the video.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you.
Now stick the stars on top of the lid and decorate it with some mini pearls.
Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you.
This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the small bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. For other Christmas projects, you can watch